variety of brushes. Alright, so I went too far on this painting, so I'm going to fix that. Alright, so I just going to use Montana Gold Light Spray. I just gonna spray a little bit just to see if I like the purple. If not, I will just change into the acrylic. I just want to try this a little bit. I don't like it. And I'm gonna get my squeaker. And I'm gonna do what I did before, just this time I'm gonna play a little bit more. Okay, because I wanted to add that purple back, but not too much. Okay, that's pretty good, I like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna come over here with my dry brush, just to blend it out a little bit. Alright, and then I'm gonna get this squeaker. Oh, one more time. One more time. There we go. Alright, so now I'm just making marks. More marks. So I just had a great idea that just crossed my mind, and I'm gonna use it. I want to see what color this is. Okay, red, too red, one more orangey. Maybe if I put this in here. Okay, this one. Okay, cool. So in my mind what I have is this bouquet of flowers. Okay, so I'm thinking of flowers and blooming spring, although all of this is in my head. So I'm using some of my pastels and just playing around with all the colors and putting it down and see what it looks like. Again, nothing is still set in stone. I have been working on this painting for like almost 3 weeks now, so if it works like this, work like this. Alright, so let's see what I got here. A nice gray. Light green. Some gray here. Yellow, just to make it more like spring for real. So I just doing like little buttons, right? Little buttons here and there. It's looking good. Alright, so that is cute. I'm gonna use more of the purple. I'm gonna make it a little bit darker here. So, Alright, so now I'm just gonna spray with water a little bit, just a tiny bit. I want to see what happens, okay? There we go, let it drip all along. I love it. I'm gonna let this one dry. All the drips will come down and it's just looking fabulous so far, guys. That's very pretty. I'm loving everything on this painting so far. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Caramel Varnish, which is a fixity crayon. So we go now. I'm just trying to make sure that I don't erase the chalk. Alright, so I'm going to use a variety of brushes, you know, different sizes, so that way I can put some of the acrylic paint on top of the pastel that I just put on, looking very good. Alright, so now I'm just gonna tap. You know, the canvas is still wet, so that's awesome. I'm just gonna do some marks here and there with this color. Remember, we're still thinking about flowers, floral. Same gonna just poke the canvas. Poke. I'm gonna do the same. Poke. Okay, so now I'm gonna come straight with the yellow. It's gonna be a nice mix of it here, a little bit of the white, just to make it a little bit lighter. Alright, so I like that. Now I'm gonna put my brushes down. Okay, so I'm gonna come and I'm gonna do some, you know, crazy stuff. It's my finger. Okay, and then I'm gonna come over here. Okay, and do the same here. Now I want to wait for the canvas to dry, but in the meanwhile I'm going to be incorporating like details here and there with my finger. Okay, with my fingers, textures, just because it looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna get this beautiful pink. I'm gonna come over here. I think she's looking fabulous. I might just create a little bit of this guy here. Right over here. I'm just gonna use my palette knife and I'm gonna just put the paint in there. I'm gonna do some stuff. Okay, some stuff. Make it, you know, like it's a bouquet, you know. Yeah, I like it. And again, I love using my hands. Painting gets more sound, more like, hi, I am here, I am cool. Okay, let me make a little bit of orange here. Like that. Okay, it's pretty good there. Use a little bit of the yellow. Just gonna put it right there. We always know when your painting is done, when you're very absolutely in love with that. Sometimes it takes a few weeks before you are like, oh my god, I love what's happening, it's awesome. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit more white in here like this, yeah. Ooh, always some kind of weird feather, guys. But you never know. I like this. It has composition, texture, body, color, happiness, story. Everything is behind here. I love it. Love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.